Hello guys, the one we're building, I'm gonna show you what changes we did. Now let's get into it. As you see, I'm not gonna touch that. Yeah, it's gonna look way better. It's doing it so big. This is going to be a manual, as you can see. Nothing special. It's going to look amazing. Everything's going to get changed. This bumper is going to be different, but we're just making it at least walk. The fuel injectors. What else is there to show? It goes spinning very fast. Trying to roll it on. It's not air suspension. It's spring, whatever you call it. I don't know. You can see underneath. Yeah. Tell me what it looks like, because I'm interested. Oh yeah. Is that cool? Yeah. Well, if you want to see the results, it might take pretty long. It might take another couple weeks. When that happens, I'll show you. Okay, bye.